So how do you delete all photos and videos on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So you can basically just manage your photos and videos manually inside of the photo gallery, right? You can just go to select and just drag the selection and literally select everything and just delete it, right? Or you can also go to specific collections and then decide to go with the media types, right? So you can select the videos only and change those, right? And like select them, delete all the videos from the iPad, and that's how you can manage them inside of the Photos app. Keep in mind that when you delete them, they are still going to be part of the recently deleted folder for the next 30 days. So you can wait or delete them from that folder as well. Another things to take a look at is the settings app and the personal profile section at the top, because part of the iCloud you can find the photos, and if you have the photos turned on, it might just show you some iCloud backed photos, right? So you're not deleting, if you might be deleting the local photos on your iPad, but if you have the iCloud photos added, well, you're not really deleting those, so you need to disable it in here, and you're gonna start with a clean slate in the Photos app, and absolutely no photos or videos will be there. And one last option, if you want to just wipe your iPad completely, you can go to the General, Transfer or Reset, and erase all content and settings at the bottom, which will literally just make the iPad look like brand new. It's not gonna have anything, right? So you can do that. Just be careful with it. But that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think below, but most definitely stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.